everybody, what a wonderful day. Sun is shining. I'm out here in the field to fly a little bit FPV. And yeah, this is one of my favorite practice spots because nobody's here actually. And yeah, I just want to bring you guys out here to see how I'm going with FPV. And yeah, tonight I'm flying to Berlin, so I think next week will be a regular vlog without FPV, without cameras, or maybe a little bit of camera stuff. And yeah, now we're here and go fly. Just crashed in grass, but it seems like nothing happened. Okay, now I just went back to my most favorite spot, and that's right here. Maybe you already know the trees. There are so many cool gaps like there where you can fly through, and there, and all the way between the trees. And yeah, this is the place where I flew the first time ever FPV drone, and I really like the spot. It's completely in the nature, nobody's here, and there's the tree where I always flip over like this. Somewhere in the trees. So I hope the drone is fine, but I have to find it first. I think it's there somewhere when it crashed. I'm so happy I have a beaver, because otherwise I think I wouldn't find the drone. There we go. okay, today is definitely not my best day. I crashed again in the trees, so I decided just to go home and fly a bit in a sim, practice a little bit more and come back next week. Yeah, but anyway, not every day is a good day, even if the sun is shining. So yeah, you have to learn from your mistakes and just keep on going. And yeah, I'm still motivated, even if I crashed my drone. And yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway, and I see you in the next video. Bye! That was a hard one.